Hi legends, today we're gonna talk about what's recently been happening on the market, why Bitcoin has dumped, what's next for altcoins and BTC, alright? As you can see on the chart, we had 109k. What's coming up next? A lot of fear on the market. There's no fuel. We're gonna talk about that. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertaining purposes only. Always do your own research, Dior. As you can see, Bitcoin $109,000. Everyone knows about it, right? No one else believes in alt season. Let's face the truth. No one else believes that we're gonna have an alt season this year, right? If there is absolutely no fuel on the market, absolutely nobody even wants to get in, no one is buying these alts right now, that is a very bad sign, right? Bitcoin dominance look 60%, all right? It doesn't look good at all for altcoins as well, okay? All signs on the market are unfortunately showing us that there will be no alt season, this year at least. The biggest gain in the last 7 days, 50% on virtuals and Trump's 36%. It was a crazy thing that happened on Launchcoin. Belief absolutely racked. FDV currently 400k, volume very small. Nobody expected that because they've been pretty massive listings like FMX, CoinW, etc. No one really expected that, but that's also really isn't a good thing for the market. What else do we go? Biggest gains, Zcash 37%, right? That's what you get. Most of it, as you can see. The biggest losses, unfortunately, Aster, one of the biggest losses, 11% from top 100, right? And this is something that has been really pushed a lot. Like, there is no fuel. Actually, there's zero fuel on the market right now. Look, crypto fear and greed, we have a huge fear in the market, and it's one of the biggest fears in this year. Let's face the truth. So facing the truth, I think there might be beginning of even bigger money outflow from BTC, and that money should already be in ETH and already start going into alts, but it's not. It's not. Look, I've been talking a lot about Aster. I might record another video about it, but my average entry was 1.2. Look, guys, now it's I'm not interested in that anymore because we broke that. My next entry would be between 55 cents to 75 cents. That's it. So actually for BTC, we predicted that. I was telling you 120, 130. I was screaming about it since beginning of the year. I was telling also about Ethereum for a long time to get in 1.5k. Alts this year will be very difficult to get because there is no fuel on the market. That's how it is. But remember, it might change a lot. It might change a lot. This is the market. This is how this market operates. It might change, boom, like that. This is how it works, all right? For now, that's the sentiment. For now, that's how I feel, right? For now, I would give 20 to 25% for alt season this year, and 80 to 75% that there will be no alt season at all this year, and that we're gonna have big dumps on the market. So for now, is it going to change next month? Who knows? But that's it for the video. I might record another one for Aster. Remember, guys, if you're traders, in the link of the description you have a link to Tubit, right? Now on Tubit, if you click on the link, you're gonna see that website, and with my link you get multiple bonuses, and there is still that special contest that you can deposit and trade to win 7.5k. It ends in around 20 days. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.